AI isn't coming. It's already here. There's no more waiting. AI has moved from science fiction into our everyday lives, transforming how we work, how we create, how we communicate, and even how we make decisions on a daily basis. It's no longer a next year thing or a future trend. It's here. It's evolving fast, and it's showing up in your inbox, your apps, your workspace, and probably even your kids' homework. Whether you realize it or not, artificial intelligence is already part of your life. And large language models, these aren't just some experimental tech tucked away in a lab. No, they're the biggest, boldest, most disruptive tech innovation we've seen since the birth of the internet. They've turned AI from a mysterious black box into a practical everyday tool that anyone, yes, anyone, can use. If you still think LLMs are a passing trend, or you don't quite get how they work, you're not just missing out, you're already behind. In a world that's being shaped in real time by this technology, understanding how it works is no longer optional. It's essential. Today, we're going to break down exactly what LLMs are, where they came from, and why platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and China's emerging AI tools are transforming everything, from how we work to how we think, and ultimately, how we live. Let's start with the basics. What actually is an LLM? It stands for Large Language Model. And while the name might sound complex, the core idea is simple. It's a kind of AI trained on unimaginably vast amounts of text. Books, blogs, news articles, forum posts, you name it. By analyzing how humans use language, it learns to understand context, generate coherent text, and even imitate human thought patterns. Imagine this. What if you could read every book ever written, scan every website, and listen in on every online conversation? All at once? You'd start to see the patterns. You'd get a sense of how people speak, how ideas connect, how emotions are expressed. That's what LLMs do, only millions of times faster than we ever could. And the technology that makes this possible? It's called a transformer. Not the kind that turns into a robot, but a sophisticated algorithm that allows AI to pay attention to language. Transformers change the game by letting models understand context across long texts, not just word by word, but idea by idea. Older AIs were like parrots, repeating phrases without grasping meaning. LLMs, powered by transformers, are more like highly trained assistants. They don't just echo you, they understand you. This tech didn't appear overnight. The journey began decades ago. Back in the 1960s, there was Eliza, a rudimentary chatbot that mimicked a therapist by using simple rules. No real understanding, just clever pattern matching. But it planted the seed. Fast forward to 2018. OpenAI launches GPT-1, trained to predict the next word in a sentence. A basic concept, but incredibly powerful when done at scale. Then came GPT-2, which couldn't even be released at first because it was too good. GPT-3 raised the bar again, stunning the world with its ability to write stories, code, and even mimic personalities. Then came the turning point. 2022, ChatGPT was released and suddenly AI went mainstream. Now it wasn't just developers or researchers using these models. Everyone was talking to AI, writers, students, marketers, even CEOs. And here's what makes ChatGPT so different. It doesn't just understand language, it understands you. It grasps nuance. It remembers context within a conversation. It adapts to tone. It even helps you brainstorm ideas, fix your code, or write a love letter. But ChatGPT isn't alone anymore. Let's look at the current Big Five in the LLM space. First, OpenAI's ChatGPT, now powered by GPT-4o. The O stands for Omni. It's faster, more accurate, and it even handles images and voice in some cases. It's in apps, browsers, and embedded across tools you probably use every day. Next, Claude. Built by Anthropic, Claude is the safety-first, highly aligned AI that's ideal for long, thoughtful conversations. It's like the helpful friend who listens, processes deeply, and answers with care. Then we have Gemini, Google's offering through DeepMind. Gemini stands out with strong logic, reasoning, and integration across Google Workspace. It's your AI coworker right inside Gmail Docs and Sheets. Fourth, Grok by Elon Musk's xAI. It's bold, edgy, and plugged directly into X, formerly Twitter. Its personality is more sarcastic and conversational, designed for the social web. And rounding it out, Perplexity AI. Think of it as the AI-powered research assistant you always wanted. It pulls real-time information from live sources and presents answers with citations, fast, free, and focused. And let's not forget what's brewing overseas. In China, AI is accelerating fast. Baidu's ErnieBot, Zhipu's GLM, and iFlyTek's models are all in play, with the goal not just to match Western models, but to outperform them. Most of these tools focus on Mandarin today, but the ambition is clear. China wants to lead the AI race, and it's not far behind. Now, let's talk real-world impact. LLMs aren't just sitting in labs, they're doing real work right now. They're writing emails for busy executives. They're building websites in minutes. They're helping teachers plan entire curriculums. They're debugging code. They're even acting as virtual therapists, marketing consultants, and data analysts. Marketers are crushing SEO with AI-powered content. Teachers are saving hours by generating lesson plans in seconds. Developers are coding smarter, not harder. And small businesses, they're scaling without needing full teams, just smart prompts and smart tools. And we're only scratching the surface. Next up, multimodal AI. That's right, models that don't just read text. They see images, hear voices, understand video, interpret charts. Imagine uploading a photo and asking your AI, "What's wrong with this product?" Or sending a voice note and getting a full summary in seconds. Then there's memory. AIs that remember what you talked about last week, last month, or even last year. Conversations that feel personal, relationships that feel human. And agents, the future employees that live online. AI that can book meetings, buy tickets, fill out spreadsheets, and manage calendars, all while you sleep. We're not heading toward AI assistants. We're heading toward AI teammates, smart, capable, autonomous digital partners. So, how do you stay ahead? Step 1. Learn to prompt. A weak prompt gives you a weak answer. A strong, clear, strategic prompt, that's where the magic happens. Step 2. Experiment. Try different models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. See which one works best for your goals. And finally, don't wait. This AI wave isn't slowing down, and those who ignore it risk falling behind permanently. AI isn't here to replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI, they just might. So, learn the tools, master the systems, get in the game, because this isn't just the future of tech, it's the future of everything. And tomorrow, on day 2, we'll dig into prompt engineering, how to talk to AI so it becomes your best creative partner, problem solver, and productivity machine. Stay tuned into Viber.